All right, we are here in Michigan today with our family. This is my nephew, Gaby. Are you excited? You're gonna be cooking with me today. What are we making? We're making,
lemon pasta.
We are making lemon pasta. We're making a mac and cheese with lemon. This is so delicious. I promise you guys are gonna love this. And it's so simple to make. It's just a few ingredients. Gabe's really gonna do all the work, right? Okay, I am gonna put the water in though for you because this is a heavy bowl. So I'm gonna put this, we're gonna start with 4 cups of water. Okay, going in. It is literally like a dump and go. So 4 cups in. Okay, then I'm gonna need you to do some work. You ready? Okay, we've got 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. Okay, you just want to pour that right in there?
Oh, that's
what do you think?
That is.
Yeah. Excellent. Give it a shake. Perfect.
That's
all right. Then we've got this is some salt going in, just about 1 tablespoon. I know it sounds like a lot, but there's a lot of pasta. Yep, perfect. And we got some ground black pepper. Yep, going in. Excellent. Okay, now for the pasta. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 pound of pasta. So we're using gluten-free today. You can use regular. It would not change the recipe either way. This is 12 ounces. Normally when you get a box, it's usually 1 pound. So we're gonna put this whole box and then a little bit of the other. Thank you. Good to the last drop, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still not out though. There's a lot in.
That's all right. And we'll eyeball that. That looks about right. Okay. But it's about 1 pound of pasta is what you want. Okay, we're gonna give this a little stir. So you're gonna give that all a little mix. Okay.
Giant mix.
Yeah.
Oh.
Excellent. Yep. Here you go.
I never did this before.
Well, you're doing a great job. You're like a pro. Are you gonna have your own YouTube channel?
Maybe.
Yeah. Will you cook with me again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember I told you that we should do like a potato tot video next time.
I
breakfast.
love tater tots. Are we gonna make homemade ones?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you know I cook with my grandson all the time too? It's really fun. He's becoming a really good cook. His name's Charlie. I think that looks perfect. I think we're good.
A little more.
Okay. All right. What are you
That's
thinking?
good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Can you see? I think that looks perfect. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Okay, we
Yeah,
can put
that's
that right
good.
there. All right, so lid goes on.
Now we wait.
Well, now I just gotta sneak over here. So we're gonna put on pressure cook and we're gonna go 4 minutes. That's it, 4 minutes.
Do not try this at home.
No, try this at home. We totally want you to try it at home.
No, this.
Okay, 4 minutes. When this goes off and when it beeps, we're gonna just do a quick release and I'm gonna show you how to finish it off.
Not
that
the
easy.
food. Not the food. Do try that at home. Don't jump on the chair.
You're awesome. Okay, so we're just gonna zest up a little bit of lemon here. It smells so good in this kitchen, guys. It's amazing. You love lemon, right? Yes, so that would be a yes. Now, you know how bitter that is? Oh my goodness gracious. Does that taste good? Okay, fantastic. Well, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grate this and we just wanna get about 1 tablespoon. So that's it. Do you wanna do a little grating for me? You wanna do a little bit? Okay, we'll use this one though, not that one.
Okay.
Okay? I mean, I don't mind having something. But, okay?
This side.
So 1 tablespoon total is what we want.
Oh, and make sure when you zest it, it's a very clean side.
That's right. We don't want one that was in your mouth. I mean, I would eat it. I would share with you, but. All right, I think that looks expert.
One
And
more.
can you see all the zest on the back there?
Wow.
Isn't that amazing? It smells good, right? Yep. And I'll show you a trick too. You can even do this. Actually, you did it. You don't even need my trick. I'm going to show you. Yeah, no, you're fine. You're doing great. All right, once we
That's
get
a
our
lot of
zest, what we're going to
zest.
do is we're going to get a little juice out of there.
Now my dad is gonna laugh so hard.
Yeah, he is.
You know I really like lemons. Sorry, Dad.
Yeah, you do. Me too. Doing
This
great.
is good side.
You're doing great.
I think that's a lot.
Okay.
Oh.
Looking good. How come you don't have an apron on?
I don't want to have it because so then I can show off my Goku shirt.
That is a pretty cool shirt. I love that. Okay, so ready?
I thought it was in the
So we're gonna need a couple tablespoons.
Ooh.
I already put that.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. You got a lot of juice there. He's good at this. That's probably enough. But you want to squeeze one more anyways, just in case? Have you been working out?
No.
No? Okay.
That's all.
That looks enough. You got all that juice. I think you got enough. I think we're actually good. I get it.
Yummy.
I get it. Me too. Just like that. All right. So we're almost ready
Lemons
to go.
are good.
I agree.
Wait, is the camera on?
Okay.
Lemons are good. Okay? Now I'm gonna do some jumping jacks.
Why not?
What's going on?
Okay. So the timer went off. We're just going to do a quick release.
Is it on?
Just get all the pressure has been released. It's safe to open the top. We're almost ready to have this on the table. Look at all this cheese. So we're using 3 cups of cheese. We've got a couple different varieties here. We've got some chopped cheddar. We've got a little blend here. And then we also got some Parmesan. You can use whatever you like. I like to mix them up. I just think it adds more flair, right? This is a pretty simple mac and cheese. So 3 cups, we've already measured out 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I think you should add the lemon zest in. You want to do that? Can you reach it?
Woo!
Excellent. How about the cheese?
Yeah. Oh, it looks so good. Cheese.
You got it.
That's so much cheese.
1 can of evaporated milk. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of that lemon juice that you work so hard to squeeze. This is gonna be so good. It's gonna be like lemony. It's gonna be cheesy. It's gonna be buttery. You're gonna love it. Are you hungry? Is your stomach growling? Mine is. Okay, this is looking good.
I'm hungry. Did you hear that?
I did hear your tummy rumbling. All right. It looks so good.
Let me see.
Ready? We're gonna give this a taste together. Okay? Ready? Cheers. Ooh, you made this. Okay?
Should I do it like that? Oh.
That is really good. Y'all gonna love this. It is so good. That lemon gum comes right through. I love that. It's cheesy, it's delicious, it's creamy. 4 minutes.
5 stars.
4 minutes in the inside. 5 stars! You did it. Awesome. Look, we hope you love these videos. If you do, please share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed yet, please do that as well. And don't forget to hit that bell. That way you know when our next video is coming out. We love y'all. Hey, everybody. They're just waiting.
Hey.